everyone, welcome to our very first number video. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the numbers 1 to 10. After that, we will count together from 1 all the way to 10. Are you ready? Let's begin. The number 1.
One apple.
One apple.
The number 2.
Two fish.
Two fish. The number 3.
Three bees.
Three bees. The number 4.
Four blocks.
4 blocks. The number 5.
Five cars.
Five cars. The number 6.
Six trees and 6 monkeys.
Six trees and 6 monkeys. The number 7.
Seven ducks.
Seven ducks. The number 8.
Octopus has 8 tentacles. And he is holding 8 fish.
Eight tentacles and 8 fish. The number 9.
9 delicious biscuits.
Nine biscuits. The number 10.
10 candles.
10 candles on the birthday cake. Now let us use those examples to slowly count from 1 to 10. Now count with me. 1 apple. 2 fish. 3 bees. 4 blocks. 5 cars. 6 monkeys. 7 ducks. 8 tentacles. 9 biscuits. 10 candles. Hip hip hooray! Well done! Now we are going to count with numbers only. Count 1 to 10 with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Fantastic, all of you. Well done. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.